Now, Adolfo's gonna be working on problem number 6. Number 6 was actually one of the problems that most of the kids missed, but it wasn't necessarily because they didn't know what to do or they did the wrong procedure. I think that they missed it because they did the wrong they made a calculation mistake. Since it is a bubble-in answer, there's either you get it right or you get it wrong. Okay, you might be leaving the problem thinking that you got the right answer, but in actuality, if you missed it by a decimal, you can get the wrong answer. It's one of those that is the difficulty becomes in that it is really up to, did you solve it exactly how it is supposed to be, or if you didn't. Okay, so most of the kids missed it because they didn't know, or they didn't have options to choose from. Okay, so Adolfo's gonna go ahead and work this problem out. He was one of the few ones that got it correct. So definitely it's one of those problems that you wanna pay attention to. So maybe you can spot your mistake at home. Again, out of being a positive learner and getting something out of this, you need to watch these videos with the most constructive approach as possible. Okay, and definitely if he's writing something down, you gotta write it at home as well. You just get these videos as much as you can and learn positively. So without further ado, here's Adolfo.
So problem number 6 says a middle school has 2 girls for every 1 boy in the 7th grade. The 7th grade class has 28 fewer students than the 8th grade class, which has 298 students. How many girls are in the 7th grade? So there's 298 8th grade students, and there's 28 fewer students in the 7th grade class. So that would leave us to do subtracting. So that gives us, that gives us 270 kids in the 7th grade class. And so there's 2 girls out of every 1 boy in the 7th grade class, so we just add those 2, and that'll give us 3. And so divide 270 divided by 3. And how many 3 go into 3? That's enough.
Now, really quickly while he's doing that, again, I want to re-emphasize the point that if you make a calculation mistake, in these types of problems, since they're a bubble-in problem, this is where you're going to go, this is where you might go wrong. So if there's any problems that you pay any specific attention to, ladies and gentlemen, these are the types of problems that you gotta go in there and triple check them. Make sure that your answer that you input makes sense with the problem, but it also makes sense in the location where the place value goes. Again, just watching everybody's answers, this is one of the biggest mistakes kids miss. And a lot of them missed it by a decimal. Okay, they didn't put the decimal where it belonged. They didn't try to understand the problem or the answer. Okay, so definitely is one of those problems that you want to go back and check.
So 270 divided by 3 equals 90. So we still keep this and then we subtract 270 subtracted by 90, and that would give us 180. That's the answer. Thank you.